Hello Internet and welcome to Behind the Mask. Um, Everyone who got that reference should feel ashamed. Uh, so welcome to this little series on how to manipulate things in the mask way, I guess. Um, I finally got around myself to like do this series because it's been a few months since I actually did this. And I only recorded a few episodes for my friends that wanted to try out masking manipulation. So yeah, or improve. Uh, yeah, I'm going to make this episode really short because it's the third time I'm actually trying to record this because the fucking OBS is just retarded. So yeah, first thing, um, is my voice. My nostrils are fucked up just I was born this way. I'm obviously not English American or whatever, so my English is not the best, especially since I'm bad at explaining things. So that's going to like most of my sentences are going to make no sense whatsoever. So yeah, that's it. Yes, but I'm going to try to help you as much as I can. We're going to. Uh, this episode is going to be like very. Um, let's say it's going to be a preparation for the actual episodes because we're going to explain and prepare certain things in this episode, and in the next episodes we're going to actually do the actual work. So yeah. Uh, First, programs. You can use, as you can see, GIMP or Photoshop. I will be using Photoshop in my videos, most likely. Uh, GIMP is a little bit easier to use in my opinion, but Photoshop provides more options. Although obviously the basic options you have in both GIMP and Photoshop, like for example dodge and burn tools. You have this one in GIMP as well. I don't know, like blur, which we're not going to use most likely, but we'll see, is also in GIMP. Like clone stamps and healing tools. All of this is in GIMP as well. So no matter which program you use, you'll most likely be able to follow this guide. So you know, that's just I'm just saying use either Photoshop or GIMP. I don't actually know any other free or better program, so don't. Um, Especially don't use Paint, I guess. Um, now I want to say that we're going to start with simple things, very basic things, and we're going to progressively, with each episode, going to do more advanced stuff. And like for example, we're going to start with uh, a simple picture of a person, and we're going to make that person look like he or she, most likely she, is wearing a mask. And then we're going to go into like pulling or like I don't know, stretching anything basically, right? Zipper adding bulges, whatever, right? It doesn't matter. Um, I'm going to want uh, like I'm going to want you to to contribute to those episodes because I'm doing this for you. So if you have any questions, if you have any ideas on what I should do in the next episode, like what sort of masking manipulation I should do, just write a comment or whatever. Just tell me, maybe even on Discord, what I should do, and I will try to help you. Um, Next thing is creativity. I'm doing things how I do normally, um, and it's certainly not the best and not the most efficient way of doing things. So if you are creative um, enough, you can like follow the basics and then just work out things yourself. Um, just think of uh, different ideas that you want to execute and just go for it. It's the best way to do things. Although I have to say, don't do anything fucking like stupid hard. Um, just don't. Try to find the like pictures that have certain poses that are going to help you rather than make things harder. So yeah, that's one thing. Another thing is I'm going to improvise in my works. Um, like just do things as I do in my free time, right? Um, so it's going to be trial and error basically, type of thing. So yeah, you'll see the entire process of doing things. I'm still not convinced on how I should do things, those episodes, because I know like for a fact, for example, this episode is 6 minutes, 7 minutes long, and um, and that's okay, right? But like the actual work episodes are going to be much longer, like half an hour or even longer. And I don't know if you'll want to see such long episodes, but I guess I have no other choice. I have no like video editing software or anything, so yeah, I can't really do um, anything with that. But yeah, I guess we'll see. We'll discuss things. And yeah, so that's basically it, I guess. The next episode, as I said, is going to be making person into someone who looks like he or she is wearing a mask, and then we're going to work our things from this point, because I haven't really planned the series how it should look like. So um, yeah, I hope this series is going to help you in some way or another, because I know many people want to start manipulating, but they don't know how. They think it's too hard or whatever. Um, and and yeah, I actually saw a few new people that tried photo manipulating, and it was still in a shape like the effort was good, but the work was, you know, it was lacking a few things, right? And like those those videos will help bypass the stage, bypass those stages, right? Those stages of works, um, and make people like their starting position a little bit better. Hopefully, because I don't know how much those episodes are going to help you. Um, But yeah, that's basically it. I don't know where the next episode, when the next episode is going to be released, but hopefully soon. um, I actually want to, like, photo manipulating gives me joy right now, so it shouldn't be too long, hopefully. So yes, see you in the next episode. I guess those 10 minutes are probably enough to everything that I wanted to say. So yeah, we'll see you. I'll see you in the first episode, the actual episode.